Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm doing a several-part, maybe 5 or 6 part series on projects that I've done this year, sort of a year in review. We started a fabrication lab here in my school, and we got a brand new laser cutter and some 3D printing and a variety of other things. We've been trying to integrate a lot more STEAM into our art curriculum and sort of mesh our science curriculums together a little bit. I love incorporating some technology and some building materials into our art classroom. I do a lot of painting and drawing, so it's sometimes a really nice break from the curriculum. So in my middle school, classes, grade 7 and 8, I try to incorporate a little bit of industrial design, maybe some invention building, some architecture, model cars and model planes and spaceships and such thing like that. But I also like to have moving parts to some of it, because in their science curriculum, especially at the end of the year, they do simple machines like pulley systems, gears, and how things come together, attach together, and move. In this particular one, this is one of my first projects that I've done in the FabLab, was a light-up integrated painting. Okay, so as you can see in my camera right here, I have my picture of my wizard and my little landscape with my little boy with his sword and his costume, and the little boy found a magic portal with 2 eyes that are floating. So I thought it'd be really cool to illustrate a circuit, an electrical circuit. So it is just copper wire that you find at the dollar store or the hardware store. I recommend the dollar store. A little bit of a LED light, okay, and a little disc battery. Okay, so just check the voltage, make sure it's strong enough to power your LED or your LED light. They don't need a lot of power. So to create a little tiny switch at the bottom here, or here, you just have the wire touch the front of the battery, and then make sure that your wire touches the back of the battery. Okay, I'm not sure if my lights are too bright in here, but you see the LED light work. So you just cut a hole where you want your painting to light up. I put a little bit of wax paper so it's translucent. Okay, so the idea is the wizard's wand lights up and looks like he's casting a spell. And on the drawing, I actually put the red button and push, and by just connecting the circuit and completing the circuit with the wire, it lights up. Okay, and for this particular one, the only thing I have to do is put the LED light behind the monsters or the floating eyes light, put the wax paper, and complete the circuit. If you see the light behind, so the eyes light up red. Okay, so it is just a simple circuit that lights up a little LED. So some ideas of paintings was kids drew cars and the headlights lit up. People did, say, a campfire, and they cut out all the flames, put the wax paper behind it, but then they put the LED behind it so it looks like the flames are glowing. A candle, a street lamp, or a character with a flashlight, and you just cut out a big triangle, to create the beam of the flashlight. So these were actually a really good success with my grade 7 class. So they're like 12 years old. So to create something interactive and something special and something that lit up, it was almost a challenge for them. give this a try. Lightsabers, okay, lighting up. Scary eyes on characters lighting up in the background. So they learn about electricity, they learn about circuits, and obviously they learn about painting and drawing as well. So thank you very much for tuning in for this particular segment. Stay tuned for more. Check out any other part to this series. On the title, it should say part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to go through it and tell you everything that I've been working on this summer. Also, the YouTube channel has hundreds of, definitely dozens of videos that for years now. So if you need help in project development, please tune in and please take one of my ideas, make it your own, and I'm really hoping it's a really big help. So thank you so much for coming. Have a great summer, and stay safe, keep creating, and this is Tailored Art Projects.